Regarding the design aspect, there have been recent rumors circulating about potential changes in the upcoming Galaxy Watch 6. While the Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Watch 4 shared a similar appearance, it is speculated that the Galaxy Watch 6 might adopt a curved glass display, as suggested by Tipsterice Universe on Twitter. It is possible that Samsung is drawing inspiration from the Google Pixel Watch, which has made an impression in the realm of Android smartwatches with its distinctively curved screen. Nevertheless, it is expected that Samsung will maintain the circular design characteristic of their previous Galaxy Watch models. However, it is worth considering the compatibility of a curved screen with a physical rotating dial, especially in the case of the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. The return of the rotating dial, which offers an alternative method of navigation compared to swiping gestures, is likely to attract enthusiasts who appreciate this particular mechanism. In fact, one of our contributors expressed dissatisfaction with the absence of a configuration featuring a rotating bezel on the Galaxy Watch 5, which deterred them from making a purchase. Overall, it remains to be seen how Samsung will incorporate design elements such as a curved display and a rotating dial in the Galaxy Watch 6. These potential changes could influence the preferences of consumers who value both aesthetic appeal and unique interaction features in a smartwatch. That's all for today. See you in the next video.